Hello YouTube, welcome back. Today we got unboxing of Fellowes A75 Laminator. This laminator comes with A4 sheets. There you go. This box contains 100 quality 80 microns sheets and you have a gloss laminate finish. So let's see the laminator. This laminator is auto shut off function. It has A4 and it has one touch control function. It's a jam-free and it has a jam-free release for easy realignment of pouches. Inside the box we got some pouches from Fellowes. Then we got a Fellowes manual. And there it is, guys, the Fellowes Laminator A75. We got power cable, which is connected straight away, it's tied up to the main unit so you can't remove it. You have the on-off button. You have two LEDs, ready and power LED, and here on the back we have the button for release function. Here we got a realignment thing, so we can do is a letter, A4 letter and photos in the middle. Like I told you, it comes with a 10 sheets, 80 micron thickness and laminate gloss finish. And on top of that I bought another 100 of quality sheets and it's same thickness, micro 80, and we got laminate finish gloss too. And this is the manual for the laminator. You can find inside instruction in so many languages, and you have a quick start guide too. And we got a register and a review product sheet too. So there is it, guys. You got a Fellowes A75 laminator, and thanks for watching. And if you like my videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and make some comments down below, and like and share it on social media. Until next time, all the best. I see you soon.